Hey, what's up, guys? Coming to you live from the garage. Gonna give you guys some updated sound clips on, I guess, startup for exhaust and intake system, blow-off valve, stuff like that. I guess engine bay noises. So these sound clips was taken a few days ago. Hence the different weather day. Today's a beautiful sunny day. Sound clips was took a few days ago. It was kind of dark and gloomy. So I got that going on right now, and I also got a lot of the decals installed, and also the hood scoop installed. So I will definitely be getting another video out with that installed setup. That way you guys can have another video to look at. So no, you know, there's a few more things that's on its way, and once that gets done, hopefully I'll have it finished in the next week or so, and we can start getting out and about and doing some drive videos, and try to put down at least a 0 to 60 and stuff like that. And hopefully I could try to find me a tuner, somebody with a dyno. I keep running into the same problem. It's either I find somebody with a dyno who doesn't tune, or either somebody who tunes without a dyno. And I mean, I could probably just do with just a regular tune, no dyno, but I mean, what's the point? You know, I might as well just go ahead and have tunes emailed to me and download them and run that. That's not what I really want, but however, so with no further ado, here's some sound clips of the exhaust. They're all cold startups, so exhaust and also engine bay sound. Like I said, you know, either intake system or blow-off valve sound. So that's it. I'll see y'all guys again later once we get some more videos.
Mm-hmm.